Ito pa rin tayo sa Avida Centera to check this new foreclosed condo unit. So, eto siya. Around 23 square meters. Studio. Bathroom niya. Maayos pa naman. Konting linis lang, konting repairs. Affordable, around 2.5 million. Wala na kayo mahanap sa Mandaluyong na below 3 million. Ito 2.5. 2565 to be exact. And ang view niya, city view. Available in cash or at least 10% down payment. Then 90% balance bank financing. Plus taxes and fees. Sink niya. So, kailangan ng konting repairs, renovation, yan. Linis, CR niya, malaki rin. As is where is tayo dito. And first come, first serve basis. So, if interesado kayo dito, message us directly.
Dito lahat ng amenities sa first floor. Bali itong Avida Centera, meron siyang 4-level na podium for parking. And then first floor mag-start yung residential. So technically parang 5th floor na siya. And then andun na rin yung mga amenities. Tulad nito, parang outdoor gym. Okay. And then andito yung yan. Swimming pool, adult pool, kiddie pool. Dito kompleto silang lahat. And then alam ko meron tayong gym dito eh. Ayan. Ito yung indoor gym niya. Nag-workout. Naka-indoor gym niya. Tapos dito yung swimming pool. Ang ganda rito in fairness. Oh. Daming swimming pool. Yan. Ilan yan? Parang 4 na swimming pools. And then may mga pocket gardens tayo. For as low as around 2.5 million. So below market value na po yun and zonal. Kasi mga pre-selling dito na condo units na under ng Ayala is nasa magkano ba? 7 to 8 million. Diba? So message us directly if interesado kayo dito.